Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about how to ask for something politely using can and could. Let's begin with the key points. Making requests with can, making requests with could, comparing can and could. Practice examples. Summary. Making requests with can. We often use can to make simple, casual requests with friends, family, or people we know well. Structure. Can, then subject, then base verb. Examples. Can you help me? Can you wait for me? Can you show me how to use the printer? These questions are polite, but also informal and friendly. Making requests with could. Now let's look at could. We use could to make the same requests, but with a more polite or formal tone. Structure. Could, then subject, then base verb. Examples. Could you help me, please? Could I speak to the manager? Could we have some water? These questions sound softer and more respectful, great for talking to strangers, teachers, or informal situations. Comparing can and could. Let's compare the two. Both are correct, but they feel different. Can, casual and friendly. Could, polite and formal. Let's look at these examples side by side. Can you close the window? Friendly. Could you close the window? More polite. Can you tell me where the nearest pharmacy is? Informal. Could you tell me where the nearest pharmacy is? More respectful. Practice examples. Now let's practice asking politely in different situations. Repeat after me. You need help at the supermarket. Could you tell me where the milk is? You need more explanation from your brother. Can you explain that again? You need help at school. Can you help me with my homework? You're calling a restaurant. Could I speak to someone about a reservation? Excellent. Summary. Let's review what we learned today. Use can for casual, friendly requests. Can you carry this for me? Use could for more polite or formal requests. Could I speak to the manager? Both are correct, but the tone is different. Could sounds more polite and respectful. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.